going to show you a way how to make African black soap in a liquid form. Now, African black soap is so great for your skin. It can help soothe eczema, can be good for acne, could be good for softening skin. It also doesn't strip away your natural oils. Now, this recipe is so simple. You don't have to be concerned about how much you use. It's just how much you really want to use, what your soap dispenser can hold. So let's get to it. The ingredients are simple. You're going to need some water, of course some African black soap, some almond oil, and some grapefruit essential oil. Of course you can use any essential oil that you want. Go for the scent that makes you happy. As you can see, I have a very small jar here. I have filled this about 3/4 of the way full with broken up pieces of African black soap so that it'll easily dissolve. What I'm gonna do next is fill water in it, preferably filtered water, and I'm gonna make sure that it is completely submerged. You can see this is fully submerged now with water. What I went ahead and did was I put in some almond oil. I put in a big squirt. Doesn't need to be a lot, just a little bit. It has vitamin A and E in it, fatty acids. It just adds a lot to the hydration factor of this soap. Now I'm gonna add some essential oil. I'm choosing grapefruit. I'm gonna do about 10 drops or so just to add some scent to it. I may add a little bit more later. I have everything in it. This is gonna take a couple hours to dissolve, and once it is, I will transfer it into a soap dispenser. After about 3.5 hours, this is completely melted, and now I'm gonna transfer this to here.